In this video, we're going to talk about autologous fecal microbiota transplantation, or a-FMT. The process of storing your own gut microbiome from your poop for use later to restore your gut in the case of gut dysfunction. We'll talk about exactly how gut dysfunction can happen and how you can actually store your gut microbiome today for use later in life for your health. So let's talk about a-FMT. Autologous fecal microbiota transplantation, or a-FMT, is where a person conserves their own gut microbiome by providing a sample of their stool when in a healthy state and storing it long-term in what's called a biome bank. These are facilities that are specialized in processing and storing the gut microbiome. At some later point in the event of gut dysfunction or other gut alterations, a person can then use their own sample for a-FMT. Unlike traditional FMT that uses a donor stool, you can actually use your own gut microbiome to restore itself. The literature suggests that a-FMT may be a promising strategy to modulate one's own gut microbiome and is well tolerated with minimal side effects. Actually, the research suggests that a-FMT can rapidly restore one's gut microbiome in the event of gut disruption caused by things like antibiotics and aging. At Novel Biome, we offer a service called Bank Your Biome. We collect and store your gut microbiome from your stool sample in your current healthy state to be stored and used later in the event of future microbiome damage. Once we receive your sample, we use our state-of-the-art lab and best-in-lab manufacturing processes to process your sample into concentrated oral capsules. These capsules are tasteless and odorless and about the size of a normal capsule, like a vitamin. We use only your unique gut microbiome, so you can have it ready when you need it. So what's the process of storing your gut microbiome? Well, at Novel Biome, we've created a simple, safe, and secure process to create long-lasting storage of your gut microbiome. When you're ready to store your gut microbiome, you can sign up on our website. We'll send you a stool collection kit that will preserve your healthy gut microbiome and hold the bacteria in the absence of oxygen, keeping your sample safe. Don't worry, the kit comes with a detailed set of instructions for how to store and collect your fecal sample. Once your sample is ready, you can send it back to the Novel Biome laboratory in the prepaid mailing package. Once we receive your sample, it is immediately prepared and processed for long-term storage. I'll talk a little bit more about storage in a minute. But within 7 to 10 days of receiving your sample, you'll be notified that your sample has been processed and securely stored. When you're ready to request your a-FMT capsules, just follow the simple request process on our website. We'll ship out your gut microbiome to you with clear instructions on how you can use your a-FMT capsules. You might be curious about where and how your gut microbiome is stored. After a manufacturing process to purify and isolate your gut microbiome, it's then stored at minus 80 degrees Celsius in a medical freezer. We store at these extremely cold temperatures to help preserve your gut microbiome over a long period of time and ensure stability, so your gut microbiome stays, well, just that. At any age, many factors can affect the health of our gut microbiome. By banking your biome when you're healthy, it allows you to have your healthy gut microbiome ready in the future if you need it to restore your health. The importance of the gut microbiome is still a focus of clinical research, and more information comes out all of the time to support the need for a healthy gut microbiome. Research shows that restoring the gut microbiome may be a successful strategy to better health and to recover from disease. If you want to know more about the gut microbiome, check out our other videos on what the gut microbiome is, why it's important, and what can damage the gut microbiome. If you liked this video, check out our next video, where we'll dive into the question, what are the benefits of storing your gut microbiome? This is an important question because, well, what's in the microbiome during FMT is extremely important, and donor-recipient mismatch is a new area of concern, and, well, this isn't a problem with a-FMT. If you want to learn more about what we've talked about in this video or understand where this research has come from, check out the link in our description to our website.